Welcome to episode 8 of our roofing components playlist, where we do a deep dive into all the main components of your roof system. Today we're going to be talking about one of the main factors that change everything about your roof, and that is your roofing materials. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the roofing channel. Let's get into it. What is a roofing material? When we talk about the roofing materials, we're basically talking about what you actually see as far as your roof system. That could be anywhere from asphalt shingles, standing seam metal roof or copper roofing, membrane roofs such as EPDM, TPO, or PVC, and even synthetic materials like a synthetic shake or a synthetic slate roof. And not to leave one of the best ones out, slate roofs themselves. The majority of homes today have asphalt shingle roofs on them, especially if you're in like a subdivision. But there are also a lot of other type of roof systems like standing seam metal, membrane roof systems, and synthetic roof systems. How does a roofing material affect your roof? The roofing material that you choose affects many things about your roof. They're going to affect the cost of your roof, how long your roof is going to last or the lifespan of your roof, the aesthetics or the curb appeal that your home has depending on what style roof that you have, and also what components that can be used with that type of roof system. How much do roof materials cost? With all the different choices for roofing materials out there, there's almost too many of them to list here. But I can tell you that the starting cost for an asphalt shingle roof with a 3-tab shingle is going to start around $400 per square, and that includes tearing off the existing roof. There's still plenty of information to know about roof materials. If you want to continue your education on roof materials, click on the video right here and watch our video on how cost-effective each of these materials are. To continue your education about roofing components, click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch episode 9 of our roofing components playlist about roof penetrations. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the roofing channel. Remember, like and subscribe so other homeowners like you can get an education before they make the huge purchasing decision. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.